Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new YouTube channel. This is my first video on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and support me. Today I am going to show how to install Jupyter Notebook in a Windows PC. Jupyter Notebook is popular among persons who are working with Python. Jupyter Notebook is an open source web application mainly used to run and edit Python code. Jupyter Notebook can use for Python and R as well. According to my opinion, Jupyter Notebook is the best text editor for Python and R. This is very flexible program. It opens in your default browser window. Main advantage of Jupyter Notebook is code and output can view from a PC which do not have Jupyter Notebook or Python. Jupyter Notebook is different than other Python text editors like PyCharm and Spider. We can view output of our code right below the Python code. We can view Python code and outputs step by step in one window. We can view graphs as well. Other Python text editors only shows the latest output. Main advantage of Jupyter Notebook is code and output can view from a PC which do not have Jupyter Notebook or Python. We can save Jupyter Notebook file as HTML file. All the HTML files can view through web browser. I will show you how to do it at the end of the installation. Jupyter application include inside Anaconda Navigator. Anaconda Navigator contains various kind of applications like Spider, RStudio, VS Code as well. We can download Anaconda Navigator for free from anaconda.com. Click the download button at top right corner. Then click the download button again. There are two options, Python version 3.7 and Python version 2.7. Python version 3.7 is the latest version. It's better to download latest version. In version 3.7, it has two options as well, 64-bit version as well as 32-bit version. My computer's operating system is 64-bit version 1. I'm going to select 64-bit version. Before I start download, check whether correct operating system is automatically selected by website or not. In this situation, it has automatically selected. If not, you have to select it manually according to your operating system. This is a 462 megabyte software. Download has been started. It will take some time to download the software according to your internet connection. Okay, software has been downloaded. Then go to your download folder and double click on the Anaconda Navigator's application file. Okay, it's very easy to install Anaconda Navigator. You have to click next. Then I have to agree to terms and conditions. So there are two options, just for me and all for all users. I'm only use this for personal usage, so I'm going for just for me. And then we can select a installation folder. So we have to select our installation folder. If you want, you can change using this browser button and you can select wherever you want. I'm not going to change it. I'm keep it as a default location. It shows the required space to install this software. You need 2.9 GB of space. It's okay, I can install this. Go next. Two options are there. I'm going with default configuration, which was recommended by system. And then I'm going to click install. The installation has been started. It will take some time to install because it's a very big software. I'm going to skip the video from here and I am going to show you after it has been installed. Okay, installation process has been completed. I'm going to click next and next again. And there are two options: learn how to get started with Anaconda, learn more about Anaconda Cloud. I don't want these two, so I'm going to uncheck those two buttons and finish the installation process. Then I'm going to start Anaconda distribution. I'm going to search for Anaconda Navigator. Okay, software has been launched. This is the default window of Anaconda Navigator. As I mentioned earlier, it contains other softwares like Jupyter Notebook, Spider, Orange R Studio, Visual Studio as well. I need Jupyter Notebook, so I am going to launch it. As I mentioned earlier, Jupyter Notebook open in your default browser and it has been open in your current user account folder in Windows. Now I am going to open a Python file in Jupyter Notebook. I need to save the Python files. I'm going to save my Python file in desktop. I'm going for desktop and I am going to start new Python file. There's a new button in top right corner and there's option for Python 3. I'm going to click it. Python file has been opened. This is your Jupyter Notebook Python file. Now you can write your Python code in this window. I'm going to write simple Python code and show the output. I want to print the hello world. I wrote the command and now I am going to run it. In Jupyter Notebook, you can run it using run button at the top of your toolbar and this is your output. Or you can use shift enter for run your Python code as well. I didn't save this file, so I am going to save this file. First I am going to rename my file. Default name is untitled one. I am going to double click here and change my file name. I'm going to rename it for Python and name has been changed. Now I want to save it. As I mentioned earlier, I told I can save this file as HTML as well. So I'm going to save it as a HTML file. Open the file menu and go for download as. Various options are there. You can save it as HTML as well as Jupyter Notebook file as well. So I'm going to click the HTML. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, my file has been downloaded as HTML file. Now I can open it. As I mentioned earlier, it's open as a HTML file. Okay, that's it for this video. As I mentioned earlier, Jupyter Notebook open in your current user folder. I'm going to show you how to open Jupyter Notebook in any folder in your PC in my next video. Please subscribe to my channel to watch that video as well. Thank you for watching this video.